slime. YOLO.
Hey guys, so today we'll be making a slime tutorial on how
Yes.
to make butter slime.
You see here is very cool. You can wrap it around your fingers. By the way, it will get stuck on your hands if you're not careful. So we are pros at this. We've been training for at least 2 years. No lie, he makes a lot of slime, and his mom is a slime king, slime queen. So let's go.
Okay, so this is slime, right? I use detergent as an activator. Gain works, and just normal school glue, right? So you get the glue and you get the clay. I got Daiso clay. I'm just using a little bit because it's not a lot. From Daiso Japan. Okay.
Clay.
Now you put it in there and start mixing it. Vicente, you gotta be in it. It's your video.
Yeah, right.
Mixing it together.
Yeah. Here's the slime. Show how it is. When you're finished, remember, to mix it, you have to do this, and then keep repeating until it mixes. And I have no idea how to tell that it's mixed.
Once it's mixed, you'll see. Okay, so my glue at first was my slime at first was green, and I added a red Daiso clay, and it is all red now. Not yet, actually. It's all red now.
Yes. And we're watching I have no idea what's it called.
Club de Cuervos.
Okay.
Y'all follow me on Instagram
That's
at
called
Romantico04 or Romantico04.
How to spell it?
ROMANTICO04.
And this is how you make slime. Peace.